Hey everyone, welcome back to WD Coders. Today in this video, we will build a beautiful drag and drop Kanban board using built-in Angular features and modern HTML structure and Tailwind CSS. Okay, let's see the demo first. So here we have a Kanban board and we have three status: open, progress, and done. Okay, these are the tasks. So if I want to drag this task here, you can see this is dragged because in the backend status will be changed. That's why it's showing in progress state. Okay, the same type of structure we will create. So let's go to the VS Code. I have created a new project and I have started. First of all, we will install a Tailwind package here. So we will go to the Tailwind official website. Here we will select a framework guide to Angular and we will follow all the steps. Okay. Now we need to be start again this application. Okay, now Tailwind is working. I want to add one font here. Font family. That's it. Okay. Now in this HTML page, we will create a structure. First, here we will create one div. Let's see. Now the same type of things we need to do for three status: open, progress, and done. Okay. We can create one variable here for the status. We can use this. We will make this dynamic. Okay. Let's see. Open, progress, and done. Now under these, I need to be add the task. Okay. So I will create one div. And here, these are the tasks. Like a H4 will be the title. And this is description. Okay. We will add some classes in this heading. Let's see once. Looking good. We'll add some tasks here. Before that, we need to create the type. So I will create a types folder here. PS. And this should be a task. Okay. Now here we need to create one interface task. Now we will use this one and we'll create some tasks. We'll add some data. Let's see, add some 6 records. Now we need to be dynamic these records. Okay. So I will be loop this div. Will make this title and description dynamic. Let's see once. Perfect. Now the problem is all the tasks are same, okay? But it should become based on status. So we'll create one function in the app.ts file which will be revert the data after filter. String. Okay. Now we will use this function in this HTML. We can paste here, and here we need to be passed this status. Okay. Let's see. Perfect. Now based on status, data is coming. Now we need to be add the drag and drop feature here. First of all, we need to be enable the draggable this div, because in this div we have the task. Okay. So draggable will be a true. Now we need to be create 3 methods on drag start, on drag, on drop, on drag and. Okay. Every method we need to be track the event. Event, drag, event. Okay. Same we need to be copy. Right. Okay. Now we need to bind these events on HTML page. Now let's see. Perfect. It's working. Okay. That's how you create a fully working drag and drop Kanban board using Angular. and Tailwind CSS. So, if you learn something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video.